really interesting format. It was a good exchange and a good combination. In a couple of them, I didn't know much about the topic, and so I was really able to listen and absorb. And in other ones, I had more experience in those areas, and I was able to answer other people's questions. And so it was really a good give and take, unusual to this sort of format, I think. I thought it was a very nice mix. There were some younger people, there were some older people, larger companies, smaller companies, venture capital. So it was really a good diversity.
It was great. It was a good balance of kind of sharing some of the things that I've learned from my programs, but mostly really learning from everyone else in the community here.
Yes, I attended several. My biggest frustration was that there were multiple tracks, so that I couldn't go to all of them. Some FOMO, right? That you're always missing some. But the ones that I attended, again, it just without having a very fixed agenda, just a generic title, a good mediation by the leaders, and just good discussions that you never know where they're going to take you, but they're always very honest, very fresh.
Yeah, I found that the topics were really interesting, and there was a lot of engagement, a lot of people participating in the conversation, so it was nice to sit in on those.
The roundtable discussions are always very interesting and engaging, and it's just fun to kind of hear what other people are thinking, and especially, in these times, so it's good.
Yes, the AI ML round is one I recall. And it's very interesting to see the fever of people, the passion of talking about how AI is, potentially helping, accelerating their drug discovery process. A lot of expression of a need of AI to be user-friendly, usable, explainable to the medicinal chemist.
I found it very interesting and very useful. Why? Because normally we sit in a conference and learn, but here we had an interactive meeting and we can discuss, we can ask questions. We have a room of experts, and I went to some of the session where I am not of the expert, but I learned from them. And our roundtable attendees were good, like a very, very experienced, as well as someone who is not experienced in that particular field, but in the broader field, and want to learn from that roundtable.
Yeah, I attended a couple of good roundtable discussions, kind of centered around AI and machine learning, as well as kind of strategic partnerships and things. Great discussions, really good thought leadership, and it was really interesting to hear different points of view from different sides of the biotech world. A really good mix of roundtable attendees. There's people from different sides of the table, whether it be biotechs, C-suite kind of things like that, and really good thoughtful discussions.
Yeah, stayed in the same room all day, kept number 4 all the time, but everything from fragment-based drug discovery to AI, very different type of topics, but all relevant.
I found the venture capital roundtables excellent for scientists and investors to attend together, because many times I see biotech-based scientists missing this specific gap that is connecting their science with the business. So having this type of environment in which you can discuss high-level science with investors is a unique opportunity for both sides, both investors and scientists, to get together and discuss the problems that we face in the society today to provide better solutions that will benefit patients.